Thank you and we love you. At si Aya, nakausap na lang natin sa cellphone. At si Mama Nene naman ay narito. Siyempre, thank you rin sa suporta. At ganyan din po sa lahat-lahat ng ating mga kapuso na nagsusubscribe sa ating GMA Pinoy TV International at saka GMA Live. Okay?
And with your indulgence, Kuya Germ, sinabi mo na yung mga GMA Pinoy TV na loyalists natin. I have a lot of names here to greet, Kuya Germ. So with your indulgence, starting off with the Bay Area, no? Sa taga-Pittsburgh sila, but actually, Livermore na ang place daw nila ngayon. Ang La Pieta, Livermore, California, Prayer Warriors of Mary, headed by Susan Fernantanedo, Josie Cristobal, Nami Fontecha, Ving Domingo, Jessica Tony Los Baños, Shirley and Cecil Hemera, Lady and Nera Torres, Becky and June Naka, and Glenda Dubsky. Also to Riel and Jared who won the Academic Excellence Award sa De La Salle. And of course, yung mga taga-PAL, Kuya Germs, headed by Pio, na kaibigan ni Mega, Pio Medina.